Alright, I'm just going to do a wee video on doing this vegetable garden over here. So these here just arrived there the other day. I wasn't here. The fella just lifted them off the lorry with a wee forklift. So I'm thinking about doing a vegetable garden over here where this plastic is. So I have plastic down there, and then I got a lorry load of bark. So yeah, I'll get back to you when I get that done. I'll do that this evening here and get it out of the road. Alright, I'm just going to show you what I've done so far. Yeah, it was raining yesterday, so I just worked through the rain. I didn't bother recording much. So these bigger ones here, they're going to be polytunnels. So they're going to have like a 2-foot path, 2 or 3 foot path going down, and then beds the whole way around. And then I'm going to use like blue water pipe and a couple of, see these rebars, these here. So I'm going to drill a hole in here, say there or something, put the hammer the rebar in, make sure it's nice and tight, and then get the blue water pipe and bend it over, cut them all the same length, and then cover it in plastic. So that's the plan with that. And then so that's going to be one there, the one down the far end here, and then this one here I'm going to build like a wee greenhouse here, you know, for growing vegetables, you know, starting them off. And then these are all going to be, all this bark is going to be took out and just leave the plastic filled with soil. Some of them is going to be too high for spuds and stuff. I think I might do this one too high, and maybe even this one, but there'll be a couple of them too high anyway. And then there's going to be an 8-foot by 4-foot here, another 4-foot by 4-foot, 8-foot by 4-foot, 4-foot by 4-foot, and then an 8-foot by 8-foot there as well. And then where this pink line is here, I'm going to do a wee fence right around it, just, you know, like blacks that out green net stuff there. I have some of it left. I might have to get an all roll. Yeah, but there's a good wee bit left there. And then just put posts in the ground, a wee gate in here, in the middle, say here. And then I'm going to dig a trench over to the dog pen. So I'm going to put a water top there, water top here, and then I have to dig a trench right over to that white shed there, because there's a water line there. Yeah, so that's what I've got going on today now. So I'll maybe do this, I'll do this first one here, just show you how to do it, and then maybe stick these on time lapse for these last ones. I'll do that. So that's that one made. Just have to line it up, measure it out so it's even, and then put a few pegs in the ground level it up, and then do the same with the rest of them on down.